In this presentation, I will be explaining how you will use our option Android app, specifically the intraday option Android app. And I will request all of you to visit this video or view this video till the end so that you can able to understand the utility of this tool. So this is a free tool and you can utilize this option calculator for your intraday purpose. And this particular tool uses the Black and Scholes pricing model, and it used to calculate the IV, implied volatility, using algorithmic process, which is the Vega decay method. So volatility decay method, that principle we have utilized for calculating the implied volatility. And we are using the Black and Scholes model here. Since it is a manual calculator, we need to use the Black and Scholes because it will not be because we will not be in a position to give the sufficient data to it. So now moving to this particular tool utility. So if you go to the NSE site, you will be getting the Nifty spot price and future price. And if you just go to this calculator, it is asking you 4 inputs. Enter current price, that is underlying asset price. If you are going to trade in the Nifty options, so Nifty price you have to put here. So you can use Nifty spot or future, anything, because whatever the targets will come with reference to that spot price. If you provide the spot price here, you will get all option targets reference to the spot price. And if you are going to give it here the future price, you will get all targets calculated with reference to the future price. And it is telling the days till expiry. This is calendar days. How many days we have till expiry? So that also we need to put. Strike. So whichever the strike you want to choose, and what is the price the current strike is trading now, premium of that option. So after giving these 4 inputs, you need to choose whether a call option or put option and hit the calculate button. So this is what you are going to do. And I am just going to the NSE site, and from here itself we can just get the value of some options and we'll test it how far it has come to. So if you just observe this option chain NSE website, you'll be finding out the underlying asset. This is the Nifty spot is trading at 11,428.3, and these are the call options on the left side and put options in the right side. So these are the informations you are getting. So we'll be taking any one call option and we'll see at morning 9:15 what was the price it was trading, and we will calculate as per the calculator, and we will see by 3:30 how much we have achieved out of that. So that will be the best way to choose the performance of this particular calculator. So if you are a visitor of the NSE website for this option chain, you'll be knowing that on the left hand side this green color one button they have given. This is to show you the chart of the option premium with reference to the underlying asset price, means spot price. When the Nifty spot was trading at 11,300, what was the premium? When it was trading at 400, what was the premium? So from the beginning time, from 9:15 to 3:30, they have given this one. So I have chosen the 11,500 call option, 11,500 call option for testing purpose. And this 11,500 call option, if I'm just focusing here at 9:15, so 9:15 market open, and that price only I'm just going to take it here. So 9:15 the market open, contract has not traded, so contract has traded at 9:15 at a level of 11,599.20, means 99 rupees 20 paisa, when the price of the underlying asset was 11,357.8. So when Nifty spot was 11,357.8 on the morning 9:15, that time the call option, so you will be seeing here. So this is the reason where you will find out that contract values. So here I have just outlined and arrow marked it. So this is the spot price and contract price you will find out here. So if I'm just going here 9:15 time, 9:15 time, so this is 99 rupees 20 paisa premium. So contract it is showing 11,599.2. That means 11,500 is the contract. It is quoting at a 99 rupees 20 paisa as a premium. So added together, they will show that the contract value is 11,599.2. And end also you will find out same way. So at the 330 price if I'll take, so it is telling that the contract is at 119 rupees when it is at 430.6. So 99.2 was the premium. It was trading 11,500 call option. So this we are going to analyze with our tool. So if we would have analyzed in the tool at 9:15, what was the calculation we would have got and how far that calculation was true? To test that, we are going to feed this data and find it out. So today we are on 15th of October and this month's expiry is happening on 31st of October. So we have 31st minus 15 plus 1. So you can say here 17 days are left till expiry. So this 17 days are left till expiry. So this also you will be getting. So 31st is the expiry. Today we are in the 15th. So here 6 and 2 1 was 1 plus 1. So this is 17 calendar days left till expiry. Option takes the calendar days. So all these prices I am going to feed it here. So I am going to feed the current price as 11,357.8. Days till expiry 17 calendar days. Strike price I have chosen 11,500 call, and morning 9:15 it has opened at 99 rupees 20 paisa call options, and I will hit the calculate button. So this is what I am getting the calculations. I am getting once it is going to 11,375 when because I have taken the spot price as a reference. So if you implied volatility 16.31, so this is what you are getting. Implied volatility of this option when we are calculating, it is 16.31, and it is recommending you when the Nifty spot, because spot we have taken as a reference, when the Nifty spot will go to 11,375.58 or 376, we can buy the call option at 105. We can keep a stop loss of 92.47, and these are the targets we can achieve. Same way, if the Nifty spot fall to 11,340, we can sell this with a stop loss of 105.45, and these are the targets. So this is what we have calculated, and day end where the Nifty has ended and how far we have achieved, that I am going to show you. So day end we are getting the Nifty spot as 11,428.3. 11,428.3. This is what the Nifty has given. Day end 3:30 time. So 3:30 time of 15th of October, 11,428.3. This is the price you have achieved towards the end of the day, and at the option which we have taken 11,500 call option, it has ended at 119 rupees. So 119 rupees it has ended. 119 rupees. So this is what happened. And if I again revisit this particular chart, I'll see that at day's high how much it has happened also I can able to see it here. So if I can just go to here, I can find out that 457 spot, 460 also has come spot. So 11,460 it has come, and that time the option was trading at 134. So 460, 11,460 also happened sometimes during the day, and that is Nifty spot level. Again I am repeating, that is around 2 o'clock 27 minute. 2 o'clock 27 minute. So 227 time, so PM. So this period Nifty spot has hit 11,460, and that particular time our option was trading at 134. 11,500 call option was trading at 134. So we got all informations closing and days high basis. Now we have to compare it when it has gone to 460. So you can see that our last target we have calculated as 11,465. Nifty spot has gone to 11,460, and we have achieved 134. So 134 is 1 rupee lesser than this. You can say the target what we could have achieved at 11,447, we are achieving when the Nifty is going for 11,460. Why this deviation? So we could have got 143. Why we are getting 134? 1 rupees lesser than that. So here I just want to point out one thing. That this particular high of 11,460 is again happening towards the end of the day, which is 2 o'clock 27 minutes. So hardly 1 more hour is left till expiry, and whatever the theta of the options, it is getting reduced from that. So if the theta of the option is 5 or 6 rupees, the theta is getting reduced and you are getting a lesser target. However, target of your option of 134 is also very closely resembled to your third target, and here the fourth target of the underlying asset, which is 11,465, which you have calculated in the morning 9:15, and you are achieving 11,460 levels. So both the things is getting achieved, and no stop loss is getting triggered, and this is the process you should utilize this particular free intraday option calculator for your intraday trade benefit. So keep using this tool, and if you like this video, give a like here and share this particular tool with your friends. And this is a completely free tool. Just visit our website and the download link. If you just go to the download link, you will find out the Android app, free Android app by Smart Finance, and here you will be getting the calculator for options. So intraday option buy sell signal app. So here the number 2 product you can get it. So from Play Store you have to download it and install and use it. We do have a web calculator that also you can utilize. Web calculator also we have in the calculator link if you can go. So here also you can find out a web calculator, intraday option trade software. And for currency option also we have given a separate product. So these two also you can utilize. So keep utilizing this tool and give your feedback if any. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.